You never baller. They bother me.
Aye, get up on my drop. Hold it now. Hold it now. Referee, blow.
This we need to make viral, you know? These are the videos that we need to make go viral. Wagwan sports fans, welcome to This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, debates and vlogs on the internet. Yes people, you know where you're at right now? We're at Barbican. You know how do you know? We're taking some football. So I'm sure This or That Sports supporters, they watch the video. We had the interview with Sir Siobhan Montgomery, the Game of Life Foundation, and we're here to take in the up and coming stars, you know, in the primary schools and preparatory school level, you know. So I'm really looking forward to it, people. If persons remember that interview, he mentioned the likes of Kevin Wilson and Denzel McKenzie being a part of this when they were 10 years old, 11 years old, at a very young age, and you see them mashing up the man in cup. So people, right now I make my way to the turf field right now, the turf. So I'm reach, we're checking back. Yes people, we are here. People, the turf looking good, people. So I'm taking some ball game.
Hold it now. Referee, blow.
It's the second round, Irish Galley versus Siaga. We're taking it in right now. Some good football playing and a goal was scored. But people, I tell you the God on the street. Enough talent there, so people. Lot of talent, a lot of technically gifted children are here. I'm seeing it people for myself. So once again, I tune in and I try to get as much highlights for you as possible. Stay tuned.
The man up on the outside of the man. Eh? On the post of the empty.
Bless up. Players, they're actually listening to their coach, taking the instructions very well. And we're seeing a lot of talented players, especially the number 3 from Denham Town. They're going to see the highlight the people. And make a solo run.
Early tackle, please. Win it there for.
When you really should there, more people should have there to come witness this. A good footballer player, the youth level right here. So once you can invest and develop the youth system, trust me, a lot of young talented players in our country will make it and can make it. I'm telling you people. I tell you a while ago, I vlogging as me cut off the vlogging a piece of whole square now. Oh God, the people. I have a screen record somewhere and put it in a this. You have to see the goal here, people. I need to see the goal here.
Aye, get up on my drop. Goal.
ball come in after them third, run at them. Opportunities will come. We will win the ball. You understand? And once we win the ball, down here, send up for them half. I will up the send up for them half.
How old are you, Engine?
10.
10?
What a bad boy.
What a paid man, looking at camera. If you guys once again gone to the final, how does that make you feel? A really good game, man.
Engine.
Enjoy seeing the talent, huh?
Yes, people, we're back at it again. One of the semi-final game just ended a while ago. Edward Tiago coming out favourites 2-0, beating Prembrook. Boys over there looking a bit disappointed to go out of the competition, but nonetheless, the future is looking bright for them, you know?
I know your feet are a bit heartbroken right now because you're out, but you think you have learned anything from the competition? What someone, are you the next Bonisha? Better than Bonisha? Awesome, that's great, that's really great.
That means that we're looking forward to seeing you in the World Cup soon.
3, 2, 1, yo!
Now the finals would be Tiago versus Edward Tiago versus Lanaman. So this is going to be a very exciting finals, you know. Two of the best.
Bless up.
Come talk to you now. So tell me now, what do you think about today so far, Diego?
They enjoy myself, man, I tell you the truth. You them look real. You them a baller. They bad on me. They bad.
So what you know?
You don't tell much about me still, but them bad.
Tell the people who
Penalty. Yeah, me realize.
tell the people who is so far are the best right now.
Shaky.
Shaky bad for real, man. I not get the name for the number 10 for something, man.
I think it's Zidane. Just call him Zidane.
I know Zidane, man.
But alright, we are calling him Zidane because he's the Jamaican Zidane. Believe me.
The number 10, number 10 and number 11. Shaky. Engine.
Engine.
Jano, sir.
But guys, this is a good look. More of you guys should have been here. You guys are all fans of Jamaican football. This is the future of Jamaican football. So
Yeah.
hopefully next time we'll see you guys here.
Yes, people. A good day of football, people. A good day of football. There, we saw the likes of Lanamans, Edward Siaga, Primary, Pembroke Hall, Windward Road. All these schools, people, Lanamans, oh my days, people. Today was a good day of football, and big up to Lanamans for winning the Game of Life tournament. Trust me, people, some brilliant goals by these 11-year-olds, 10-year-olds, 8-year-olds, some young talent we have in this country, and all we need to do is continue to push them, continue to invest in them. Trust me, we can go far, people, and I'm very happy. Shouts out to the guys over at Game of Life. Really impressed with the event, and you guys did an amazing job, and I'm looking forward to bigger and better things from them. So the Game of Life Foundation, you need to go over there and support them, people. Game of Life _JA, the Game of Life Foundation. Let's type it in IG or wherever the social media platforms and give them your support, because the young gentlemen over there and the young women over there, they're doing an excellent job, you know. So these are the things that we need to be pushing out there. These are the things that are very, very important. So we don't want to get too lost in the entertainment when we talk about them and that and corruption and JFF and all the little hot words and, you know, little viral things. At least we need to make viral, you know. These are the videos that we need to make go viral. Our youth are important. So people, that is the end of the video. As I said before, excellent job by Game of Life. Enjoyed the tournament fully, and I hope you guys did as well. So it's the end of the video. People, don't forget, like this video, leave a comment, and share this video to as many people as possible. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye for now.